Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive in Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 997 C4 S that I'm doing the bump stops. It's all ready to come out, taking everything out. Control arms, the bearing, the wheel knuckle, on both sides out. I've taken the whole front diff. There's your front diff there. Front diff out. And I'm changing the power steering rack. It's leaking pretty bad, this power steering rack here. And at the same time I'm changing this coolant pipe hoses. These coolant pipe hoses here, the one that goes on this side here, there, and the other side there. There's two. And you can't do it in a car, you got to drop it down to do it. This one here. This is the original one. They look fine, but they are the original one and they are going to crack and they're going to start leaking. So every time you do one of those, drop the front end off to do something in the front, make sure you change the actual both coolant hoses that goes on this side, the other side, if you're doing the rack, and you can just drop it like this. Much easier, or you can have a turntable, a platform tool to do it as well. Pretty much everything is going to come off on this side here and this side here now. So now we want to remove this now to do the additional the bump stops there. They're broken. See there, bump stops. I'm doing that as well while I'm waiting for the other steering rack to come. It was in Germany. Hopefully, it will turn up this week. So much we can do about that. We ordered that like a few weeks ago, but because of the actual COVID-19, everything is delayed. But we can only do what we can. So now I want to lower the car down so I can do my other stuff, the oil cooler, starter motor cable, and all that stuff. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.